All right, let's dive into something that is, quite frankly, gonna blow your mind. We're talking about the simple fact that our planet, Earth, is in constant, crazy, complex motion through space. So, let me just ask you a quick question. Right now, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, do you feel like you're sitting still? I mean, you're probably on a chair, maybe in a car, or on the couch. Seems pretty stationary, right? Well, the truth is, the answer is a hard no. Not even close. You, me, all of us. We are on an unbelievable, nonstop journey. So you might want to buckle up. Welcome to the cosmic roller coaster. Our ride starts with a motion we're all most familiar with, the one that basically runs our lives. Let's get into the first motion, the daily spin. Now, the scientific name for this is rotation. All it means is that the Earth is constantly spinning on an invisible line that goes right through the North and South poles, kind of like a top or a basketball spinning on a fingertip. This is the base layer for all the other movements.
And how long does one full spin take? Yep, you guessed it, 24 hours. Our whole idea of what a day is comes from this one single, incredibly reliable motion.
And of course, this spin has a huge effect on us. As our planet turns, different parts of it get to face the sun. When you're facing the sun, hey, it's daytime. And when you're facing away from it, you're in the dark of night. It's really that simple, but also pretty profound. Okay, so we're spinning. Got it. But that's just the first little loop on this roller coaster. Now we're gonna zoom out and look at the second major motion, our yearly orbit. This one's called revolution. So while rotation is the Earth spinning in place, revolution is the Earth taking a massive road trip around something else. And in our case, that's the sun. And it's not a perfect circle, but a huge, slightly oval-shaped path. Just like rotation defines our day, this revolution defines our year. It takes about 365 days for our planet to do one complete lap around the sun, which means every time you celebrate a birthday, you're really just celebrating another full orbit around our star. And this journey has another pretty cool side effect. Because the Earth is tilted on its axis while it's making this trip, we get our seasons. This big yearly voyage is what gives us that whole cycle of spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Okay, I hope you're holding on tight. We're about to make a huge leap in scale now, way beyond our little neighborhood. We're on to the third motion, the galactic tour.
Yeah, you heard that right. It is not just our planet that's moving. Our entire solar system, the Sun, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, you name it, is all moving together, hurtling through space as we orbit the supermassive black hole at the center of our home galaxy, the Milky Way.
Now, just try to let this number sink in for a second. 230 million years. That is how long it takes our solar system to make just one trip around the galaxy. To put that in perspective, the last time we were in this same spot, dinosaurs were just starting to roam the Earth. It's just mind-boggling. So we're spinning, we're orbiting the sun, and our entire solar system is touring the galaxy. You'd think that's everything, right? Nope, there is one final incredible layer to this ride, the biggest one of all, hurtling through space. Turns out, even our gigantic home galaxy isn't just sitting still. The Milky Way itself, with its hundreds of billions of stars, is also moving through the endless black of the universe. We're not just passengers on a planet, we're passengers in a galaxy that's on its own epic voyage. And the speed is just almost impossible to wrap your head around. Our galaxy is cruising along at about 2.1 million kilometers per hour. That's over 1.3 million miles an hour, and we're all going that fast, right now, just being carried along. So what's causing all this? What's the engine? Well, it's the very fabric of space and time. You see, the universe is expanding. Ever since the Big Bang, everything has been moving away from everything else, carrying entire galaxies like ours along for the ride. So let's just recap this whole insane ride. First, you have the Earth, spinning on its own axis. And at the very same time, it's making its yearly orbit around the sun. And while that's happening, our whole solar system is taking a grand tour around the center of our galaxy, all while our entire galaxy is just rocketing through an ever-expanding universe. 4 different motions, all happening together all the time. Which really brings us to the main takeaway here, and it's summed up perfectly. We are all just passengers, riding on a cosmic roller coaster that never, ever stops. There are no breaks, no pauses, just constant, incredible motion.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on, considering that you are always spinning, orbiting, touring, and hurtling through the universe. What does it even mean to be still?